The Insta360 Ace Pro is great at capturing video, but if you want high-quality audio to go with it, you'll probably want to use an external microphone. And unfortunately, with the Ace Pro, that's not as straightforward as it should be. In this video, I'll show you all the gear you need, how to put it together, and some special cases to watch out for when using an external microphone. Let's get started. First, let's cover what you need. We have our Ace Pro and our microphone. Then we need our Insta360 Mic Adapter, the Insta360 cold shoe to mount our microphone, and the quick release bracket that we can attach the cold shoe to. Okay, now that we have all the pieces, let's put it together. The first step is to remove this door from the side of the camera. To do that, open it at a 45-degree angle and just pull it away, and it should easily come off. This reveals the USB-C port where we can attach the microphone adapter. Once we have that on, you can connect the quick release bracket on the bottom. To mount the cold shoe, just flip one of these pieces down, and then you can slide it into the rails that are here. You should hear it click when it's set. Now you have the space available to mount your microphone. There's an audio meter along the top of the screen, so I like to tap on the microphone to make sure that it's working. So this is what everything looks like fully assembled. As you can see, it's gotten bigger, bulkier, and certainly heavier. It's not as ideal for running with, but I still think this kind of setup can come in handy for capturing certain parts of your adventures. Okay, a few important points before we go. Now that we've added our microphone, this rig is no longer waterproof for obvious reasons. We have our microphone over here, which isn't waterproof, but we've also removed the door from the side. So I wouldn't use this in rainy conditions. Water could run down this side of the camera and enter this area where the USB-C port and SD card are located. In addition to that, we want to be careful to make sure that our microphone isn't visible in our shot. These cameras have a very wide field of view, and when you have the stabilization activated, it's possible that when you move around, the microphone can creep into the right side of the image, especially if you use something like this wind buff. Also note that since we're using this Insta360 quick release bracket, we no longer can use our other quick release mounts that we're used to with the Ace Pro. And we're just kind of left with these GoPro style dual mounts. So keep that in mind. It may take you a little bit longer to mount your camera in different places. Also, as I mentioned before, this new setup is a little bit heavier, and this can have implications if we're mounting it, say, at the end of an extended selfie stick. That final connection point is going to have a lot of leverage on it from this weight. So it's possible that you can frame up your shot, but then when you start moving, that leverage might cause your camera to tilt down or back. So keep that in mind as well. Okay, that does it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.